next we have Khomotso Mosoane from Transnet. Khomotso is currently an electrical engineer who is employed in Pretoria at the center where they manage all the locomotives. So she's out there making sure that the trains that people are riding are quality, are reliable. She's working in a male-dominated industry, but you didn't start out here. How did your relationship with Transnet begin?
Level, thank you. Honorable guest, I greet you. My relationship with Transnet started way back before I became part of the program. I studied in a school where Transnet renewed and equipped our school. So that inspired me a lot to work harder so that I can achieve great symbols. In order for me to achieve great symbols, it's important for me to mention that I come from a community where we face a lot of social challenges. Needless for me to mention the fact that unemployment is very high, level of literacy as low as it can be. A lot of students drop out of school. So yeah, looking at companies like Transnet to invest in our future really inspired me a lot. So I studied hard as I was doing grade 12. I was doing maths and science. I achieved 2 A's, 2 distinctions in English and in agriculture. Maths and science both were B's and C's. Yeah, so I was a good investment in them.
Khomotso is from Jane First in Limpopo, and from Jane First High School, passing very, very well, you were able to study at Valtech.
Yes.
With Transnet. What was that experience like? I mean, aside from the bursary itself, you know, it's very hard for young people to make it through tertiary, especially if you're coming from another environment and now you come to Gauteng and there's all sorts of distractions and you don't have the same support systems. How did Transnet help you?
I was not only blessed with the scholarship, I was also blessed with a mentor, which I call now a colleague, Transnet, Miss Teresa Miller. She was supportive. Whatever sorts of challenges that I may come across with at school, she'll give me all the support and the advices how to go about. And above all, I was also an inspiration to myself because opportunities come once. And then it's very important that, you know, when an opportunity comes your way, you grab it with both hands and then you sacrifice. So yes, I grabbed it with both hands and I used it wisely, studied, focused on my studies until I, of course, finished record time, Val University of Technology. Graduated 2007 after they also offered me incentive training in the field of engineering. You must do practicals for at least a year to be called a technologist. So yeah, I did that training and now I'm working in Sport Diesel Depot as an electrical engineer. We based at the centers of locomotives whereby we ensure that we deliver quality, reliable locomotives which are of course available for Transnet to meet its goal. It is a male-dominated area, you know, as an engineer, a female engineer, you have to adapt, but yeah, I'm getting all the support that I need from Transnet.
So Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, you don't look like this.
No, I'm on my overalls. On top of the locomotives, you know, we maintain them. I'm full of oil. You won't like me. But I wouldn't trade my job for anything. I love it.
So when you were that little high school girl in Limpopo who was thinking, maybe if I just push harder with my studies, I can do something, did you think that you would be here?
As I mentioned, it was very rural, where things were tough and hard, But then, I told myself, where I come from must not determine where I'm going. So I just looked at Transnet and I'm like, I'm going to get there. And then that inspired me a lot. And here I am, thanks to Transnet. To somebody.
Now, you have also decided to give back as well. You're
Yes,
also
yes.
now motivating.
I am motivating. Yeah, this program is continuing. So Ms. Teresa Mula is also still part of the program. So as she goes doing her site visits, I go with her as a proof that you can do this. You can do this. It's possible. Here I am, and then I'm motivating them. They listen. Some of them, they call me now, thanks to you. Here we are. They're finishing, and then they go with someone. I'm giving back.
And you are also not stopping. You're
I'm
still
not
continuing your studies, right?
Yes. Now they gave me a bursary again to continue. I'm doing project management and also completing my BTech probably this semester.
Ladies and gentlemen, Khomotso Mosoane from Transnet.